everyone, my name is Sabrina Melodieuse. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we have a fantastic yarn package. Look at the size of that. It is humongous. I am super excited. This is coming all the way from the Secret Yarn Stash. So how did I discover the Secret Yarn Stash? Ta-da! I was watching the Crazy Poppy Lady, Angela. Hi, Angela! Hey! So yeah, I was watching Angela and she was talking about the Secret Yarn Stash. And she was talking about how competitive this person is with other stores like Durham Moore's and also Wool Warehouse, that 90% of her stock is actually cheaper than these online shops. The only thing that she sells are exactly at the same price are Stylecraft DK yarns. And I think that is quite fair enough. But looking at the other yarns, which are amazing, by the way, you know, they are big name yarns as well. So I'm highly impressed because who doesn't like to buy, you know, cheaper yarn, right? We all like to buy cheaper yarn. But I was super happy because Angela has got an affiliated link with the Secret Yarn Stash. So I thought, well, cheaper yarns, and then Angela will also get, you know, a little bit of commission, which means more yarn to go towards the Royal British Legion, so she can do more poppies and get some more money for the British Legion, right? This is something that really strings everything in my heart, or you know, she puts all the strings in my heart. She really does. So I am happy to go through this link, which I have done, and I have ordered my yarn and it arrived on Saturday morning. Today it is Monday. I've had to wait because my son was at home and he didn't really want me to do a video. Now, I would like to also add very quickly before I open my pack, which I am now dying to open it. Absolutely dying to. Ta-da! Secret Yarn Stash. What an amazing website. But more importantly, the person who owns this beautiful online shop, Louisa. Hi, Louisa! She is amazing. She has a fantastic customer service. You get in touch with her, she responds very quickly, and she is very friendly and very helpful and just gives you the warm feeling that, you know, she cares about her customers and is eager to please. So I cannot recommend her highly enough, and that's even before opening my package. I mean, honestly, I am just really wowed. She sent my package absolutely immediately after I ordered it. And the contact we've had has been amazing, amazing. So, yes, please, everyone, you absolutely need to check her out. Only thing is that I know at this stage, I don't think, I don't know 100%, but from Angela, from what I understood, she's not sending abroad just yet. At least I don't think she is because of the shipping costs. But who knows in the future? I really think that you should, you know, keep your eyes opened. So before I open this package, I would also like to add that I wanted to share the link to Louisa's shop, the Secret Yarn Stash, but I think what I'm gonna do is a little bit cheeky. Please forgive me, everyone. But I'm going to direct you straight to the crazy puppy lady. In the description box below, I will put a link to one of her videos. And if you click in her description box, go to her affiliated link so that she can benefit and get a little bit of commission. And that will go towards the British Legion. Please, if you don't mind, I'd rather you do that. I know it's a little bit of a chew, but I think if I post a link myself to her affiliated link, I think the commission will come to me instead. And I'd rather not. I think I would rather this go straight to Angela. If you don't mind, please. But honestly, I am ecstatic to open this and show you what I got. I got a ton of yarn. Admittedly, it's just one, but that's because I have a project in mind and I will need a lot of it. So without further ado, let's get our scissors and let's get opening. Okay, I am ready to open. Yes. I think I've waited long enough now. So yes, the secret yarn stash. She has so much yarn in her shop, and I will be buying some in the near future, definitely. And yes, there's some yarn that I have looked at, and I mean, she does sell beautiful ones, honestly. If I was rich, I wish I was in a way, because I would just buy it all, right? Honestly, I am such a yarn addict. It's incredible. I mean, I think we all are, aren't we? Yes. But my son is telling me sometime, Mom, you now have a problem. And I'm like, maybe, but I'm quite happy with it and I don't need any help. So I am rambling, I know. So I now have my pack opened and there's something in here that intrigues me. There's like a little package. Here we are. There's the package. And on there, there's the logo of her shop. So I will show you that. Oh my goodness, there's like a little package. It says the secret yarn stash. See if I can show you. Secret yarn stash. Yes. Thank you so much, Louisa. I don't know what's in here, but thank you, thank you. Yes, let's find out. Okay. I honestly was not expecting a little extra, whatever it is. So, wow, I am even more impressed now. Thank you so much. Okay, this is like a happy mail all of a sudden. I should do the happy mail song, right? Oh, goodness, there's a note. There is a little note. Or is it, what do you call it? An invoice, maybe. Yes, it is a letter. Hello and welcome. And there's also my invoice. Wow. So it's a very long letter. It is just that personal touch. It really is. So I am really, really impressed. And she signs it as well. So fantastic. I will read that off camera because it's quite long. So, okay. I will put that to one side for now. And let's discover what else is in this package. And oh my goodness. We have some sweeties. Oh yeah. Love hearts. Oh, I love them sweeties. Love hearts. And there's two 2 of them. So I think I'm going to keep one for me. And my son would never forgive me if I don't share. Because sometimes he watches my videos. Hey, darling, look, we have some sweeties. So I will have to give him a little pack. Yes. Thank you so much, Louisa. Thank you. I will definitely enjoy those today after lunch with a nice cup of tea. Hey, thank you. I mean, it truly is just that little extra, personal touch. And I am completely wowed. On to the yarn. Okay, and a beautiful yarn. Here it is. So I got a lot of it. And the reason of that is because the price, I can't remember the original price, but her price, Louisa's price, was significantly lower. So when I saw how many of that yarn she had left, 17 balls of yarn, guess what I did? I thought, oh my gosh, I'm going to order it all. Yes, I did. I got it all. So here it is because it's my favorite color. So why not, right? So I will show you now. It is called, I will look on here. It is Signet Watercolor DK. And it is stunning. The color that I have chosen is Crimson Forest. And I just honestly, it is beautiful. So I will show you now. And I look forward to seeing your comments and what you think of the yarn. And will you go over to Louisa's shop to buy some yarn? So I will show you. Here it is. Look at this. Oh, it feels really soft. Look at this. This is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So there's 10 in here. And I have another 7 in the other package, which is the same color. There we are. It's upside down. There we are. So I'm going to get one ball out and show you. I am so excited about this yarn that you have no idea. Just so beautiful, and it feels beautiful. It's so soft. I mean, wow. I do like Signet yarns. I do buy it quite a lot whenever I can. And I have never bought the Signet yarn at such a cheap price, to be fair. So I think this will take me time and time again back to you, Louisa, because I really love Signet. So it truly feels amazingly soft. And the colors in there are unreal. There's red, there's some burnt orange, some purples. It is beautiful. So what is it made of? Let us see. It is 100% premium acrylic. You can totally feel that. It is extremely soft. So let's take a look. It is DK because I really enjoy working with DK and also thinner yarns, but sometimes I buy iron, but rarely chunky. I prefer thinner than thicker. So I got a DK, and I don't know the yardage on this. Is there anything? I forgot my glasses upstairs, so that's terrible. But I don't think there's a yardage on here. Is there? No. But anyway, I'm sure there will be quite a bit. It is DK and it is 100 grams. And Look at this beautiful color. So watercolor, and it is, oh, my yarn is falling over. And it is by Signet. You can see here the logo of Signet and a watercolor. But look at the beautiful shades on this yarn. This is absolutely stunning. Look at those. It's like pink, red, purple. I'm sure this is like a burnt orange here and here as well. And yeah, I absolutely love that. Just absolutely stunning. What do you guys think? Yes, I just really love it. Love it all. Just beautiful. And I have 17 of those. I mean, this is just amazing, right? I feel absolutely spoiled. And so, yes, this has been such a fun time. So, once again, please, if you want to go to the Secret Yarn Stash, please, if you can, go into my description box, and in there, there's a link to a video for the Crazy Poppy Lady. And in her description box, you will find her affiliated link to the Secret Yarn Stash. So please, if you could do that, that would be absolutely amazing. And if not, that's okay. You can still go to the Secret Yarn Stash, right? I think it is just the secretyarnstash.com, is it? I'm not sure. But you can find her online with no problem. So there we are. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. I know I enjoyed discovering the new yarns, and also Louisa, who is a lovely person. So there we are. Thank you everyone for watching, and until the next time, happy knitting and crochet everyone.